Hey guys, thanks for joining. So in this section, I'm just gonna go over what we're gonna do in the next couple of videos with Python automation. So as you could see here, the subnet that we're gonna give for each branch is /23. So the first site will have 0/23. The second site will have 2/23, meaning the subnet 10.202.0 and 10.203.0. The subnet after it will have 4 and 5, which is 4/23. All right, so we're gonna do it this way, and we're gonna increment each site in this matter. And the way we're gonna do it is, as I said, exactly as following the GUI. Okay, so the automation process will be exactly as following the GUI. And if you notice, when we were in the Postman section, we actually created first we created the network, then we updated the VLAN, then we changed the firewall rules, and so on. Okay, just wanted to make this video like just a design overview, like how we're gonna move forward with the next section, and while introducing Python and combining all those APIs that we did in Postman in a Python script. Okay, thanks guys for joining, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.